and occurrences. Even those occurrences, in the circumstances, my Lord, would wish to the other parties, the respondents.
Knew how many we are and how hard we are finding to accommodate you.
The premises of this petition, as evidence bearers from the pleadings, is primarily based on what transpired in the county assembly. That is where it was the inception of the illegality.
This process was undertaken unexpectedly of the petitioner and even members of the public.
I find that the petitioner has not demonstrated a prima facie case to warrant granting of the prayer sought under prayer number 11 and 12. That is seeking to stop the governor of Kiambu County from nominating his deputy governor. I decline to grant the conservatory orders under prayer number 11 and 12 of the petitioner's notice of motion dated 30th January 2020